Hey, turkey sounds like this equal bad sounds, right?
That's too deep. We'll sink in.
What if we get that right across?
It's round.
What?
It's round.
No?
You can't ride across something that's round.
Go get one of those 2x4s in the spot where they ride across. Want to do that?
I don't care. What's ahead of there? It's more water.
Well, yeah, but we can get GPS from there if you want. We're going to practice before we leave.
I don't care.
Let's put it through.
You branch. Oh shit. I guess the branch didn't like me saying that to it. It's the front now. Hello, Mr. V. Have a nice day. I don't know where the f he went, so I hear him over there. Nope, not over here. Where the f go? Oh, there he is. What?
I think we can make where he went.
Where who went?
The guy on the quad.
You found him?
I know that someone was down here. There's like brand new track over there. Follow me.
Ben, this doesn't even go towards it.
What?
This doesn't even go towards over there. The bridge is over there.
Yeah, I know.
So why are we going this way? So low to the ground. Ow. Pit bike adventures. Where the f are we going?
I have no idea where you're going, but we'll find out next time in Pit Bike Adventures Fun, whatever you want to call it, Part 4. There's probably going to be like 5 parts, to be honest. And then I have another day that we went riding, and I'll upload that and stuff, and like, yeah. So stay tuned, subscribe for more content, as I said, but I'm going to put those videos out soon. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys all later.